Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off night mode in Terabox app. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off night mode in the Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon available for us. Tap on the three line icons at the top left corner of the screen. And over here, when this panel appears, you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option over here and you can see the night mode option available for us, which is the fourth one. Now in order to turn off night mode in Terabox, tap on the toggle icon at the right side and then it will be turned off like this, guys, on your phone. And guys, this is how to turn off night mode on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.